Hey guys, welcome to the Cookie Crumble. Hope you guys are safe and keeping well. So today's video is specially dedicated to Deepak Bhaiya, Devika Bhabhi, Anu and Sanjay ji, as they really like the kachori and aloo I made for them. Yes guys, today's recipe is of kachori and aloo which I am going to share with you. Let's get into the video. Here I am taking maida. In this I will add salt and oil. I need a dough out of it. This is how the binding should look like. I am applying bit of oil to my dough so that it does not get dry. Now we will cover it and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now in a pan we will dry roast soft dhania seeds and jeera until crisp. Now we will transfer it on a flat base and crush it. Moving on to the pan, we will add oil and our crushed mix to it. Saute it for a minute. Then we will add our ginger chili paste to it. Again saute it for a minute. Then add jeera powder, red chili powder, black salt, kasuri methi, kali mirch, amchur powder and saute it. Now add besan and again saute it for 5 to 6 minutes. You can see the change in color of our mixture. As it is extremely dry, we can add bit of oil or ghee to it. It's time to add salt. We will add dal mixture to a batter. I have already soaked moong dal for an hour and later on removed the water from it. Also I have given it a quick whisk in the blender for a second. Just make a granular paste. Just see the consistency of the dal. We will add our dal mixture to the roasted one and mix it at low medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes. We will let our mixture cool and move on to prepare our aloo ki sabzi. Here I have taken 6 boiled potatoes which I am going to mash it with my hands like this. Guys, instead of using knife, use your hands to mash the potatoes to get rich flavor. As you can see that I have not mashed the potatoes completely, but I have left some big pieces. This technique of mashing will help us to make a thick gravy. Now in a kadai we will take ghee and oil. In this we will add bay leaves, dry red chili, black cardamom, green cardamom, dalchini, black pepper, jeera and saute it for a minute. Then we will add hing to it and again saute it for a minute. Now low the flame and we will add our dry masalas, haldi powder, red chili powder, jeera powder, dhania powder and saute it for a minute. Now we will add our tomato puree to it. Mix it well. At this stage we will add salt to it. As you you can see, the bubbles start appearing. Now it's right time to add potatoes. Mix them well. Now add salt and add 1 to 2 cups of water to make thick gravy. Now grab a spoon and mash the potatoes. Then add garam masala and kasuri methi for the final flavor in the dish. Our sabji is ready now. To make kachori, we will take small amount of dough and make a ball out of it in this way. We will now add our mixture and cover it like this. We can make near about 10 kachoris with this dough. Take a ball and press it gently and roll it equally at all edges. We will take oil in a kadai, and once it is slightly warm, we will add our kachori and deep fry them. Our kachori is ready. We will take it out and serve it with aloo ki sabji. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, which was dedicated to my brother-in-laws and sister-in-laws. Give it a like if you find it worth it. Don't forget to tag me in snaps with your tips. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.